In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up lead scoring in Hubspot, an essential tool for prioritizing your sales efforts and targeting prospects more effectively. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to enhance your marketing strategy by effectively categorizing and scoring your leads. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is sign into your Hubspot account. Once there, navigate over to the Contacts menu. Then look for the lead scoring option. If you can't find this exact option, you might need to create a custom property instead. This initial step is crucial as it sets the groundwork for managing and analyzing your contacts based on scoring. Now that you're in the right place, we need to define our scoring criteria. This involves determining both positive and negative behaviors and attributes that are important to your business. Positive scoring might include actions such as opening emails, visiting your website frequently, or downloading key content. Similarly, you may want to consider attributes like job title or company size, as these could be important indicators of a lead's potential value. Conversely, negative scoring criteria could be attributes or actions like unsubscribing from emails, infrequent visits to your website, or specific industries that might not align with your target market. Once you've nailed down what behaviors and attributes to score on, it's time to assign point values to each criterion. This involves deciding how much weight each action or attribute will carry in your overall scoring system. For instance, you might assign more points for someone who fills out a form requesting a demo than for simply opening an email. Each point value should reflect the importance of the action or attribute in moving a lead closer to a sale. Remember, there's no one size fits all here. Tailor the point system to suit your unique business goals and strategies. After you've assigned point values, it's important to save your setup. HubSpot allows you to monitor these lead scores effectively, which can be observed on individual contact records and within your dashboards. Frequently check in on these scores to ensure they are accurately reflecting the lead's propensity to convert. Monitoring and understanding these scores will empower your team to focus their efforts on leads that are more likely to result in a sale, thus optimizing your sales cycle and increasing productivity. Over time, you might find it necessary to adjust the criteria and point values based on your observations. Think of this scoring model as a dynamic tool that evolves with your business. By following these steps, you've now equipped yourself with a powerful method to better engage with potential customers, prioritize your communication, and ultimately increase conversion rates. Enjoy the benefits of a more structured and effective approach to lead management with HubSpot's lead scoring system.